Hi, kindergarten. Today we are going to be introduced to our new sight words for the week. We are going to follow the read, spell, write routine. So if you want to get out a piece of paper and a pencil to write, this would be a good time to do so. Or you can just write the word with your finger in the air. So our first sight word for the week is the word help. The word is help. Your turn. Say the word help. The word is spelled H-E-L-P. Your turn. Spell the word help. Now let's write the word. Use your pencil and paper or your finger to write the word help. I'm going to use the word help in a sentence. I like to help my mom. And if you'd like to come up with a sentence, do that now, using the word help. Our second new word for the week is the word to. The word is to. Your turn. Say the word to. The word is spelled T-O-O. Your turn. Spell the word to. Now let's write the word. Use your pencil and paper or your finger to write the word to. I'm going to use the word to in a sentence. I want to go to the store too. Now, if you'd like to use the word to in a sentence, you can do that now. Before we go, let's look at some sentences. Try to read these sentences and point to the words help and to.